Why is it your husband has to sleep on the couch every night, ma'am? What do you mean by
Answer
that?
your question?
What do you mean by that?
That's all I need to say.
Does this happen every night or is it just once in a while?
I don't know. Occasionally I can sleep through it, but it does happen.
Have you ever tried using earplugs?
It doesn't work. I've tried earplugs. I've tried cotton balls. I've tried to sleep with the television really, really, really loud. But even if I get up and go on the couch, I still have to shut the bedroom door because I can hear them all the way on.
Rumor has it the kids can hear him through all the walls.
Yeah, they can. We have to put their fans on.
Hey Hammer, what's up? How was your day? Universal Studios, huh? That must have been fun. So what was your favorite ride? How about Jurassic Park? Did you go in Jurassic Park? You had a really good time. So we have to get some kind of background noise going on to filter the Hammer snoring problem out. It's gonna be tough.
Jessica, who snores the loudest? Who snores second loudest?